Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a note in Samsung Notes. Samsung Notes is a useful app that allows you to write down ideas, make checklists, and keep important information organized. Let us get started. The first thing is to unlock your Samsung phone and locate the Samsung Notes app. Tap on it to open the application. Once Samsung Notes opens, you will see all of your existing notes if you have any. To create a new note, tap the Create Note button located in the bottom right corner of the screen. A blank note will now appear. Tap anywhere on the page and begin typing using your keyboard. You can continue adding as much text as you like. Samsung Notes automatically saves your work as you type, so you do not need to manually save the note. If you want to format your text, use the toolbar above the keyboard to make text bold, create bullet lists, add numbered lists, or change the text style depending on the available options on your device. You can also tap the attachment or plus icon at top right corner of the screen to add PDF, voice recordings, image, drawings, or other supported content to your note. If you would like to give your note a title, tap on the Title field at the top of the screen and enter a name for your note. When you are finished, tap the Back button or swipe back to return to the main Samsung Notes screen. Your note will be saved automatically and will appear in your notes list. And that is how to create a note in Samsung Notes. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials. See you in the next video.